This is Tech Talk with D, and we're going to try to write a Python application in 60 seconds or better. All right, let's get started. First, we declare a function named life, and life has two arguments, person name and amount of fucking around, which we default to 0. Then we create a variable named finding out, which we default to false. Then we create this condition that says any amount of fucking around beyond 0, finding out is set to true, because the rule here is that any amount of fucking around you do, you're going to find out something. So let's move on. If finding out is true, we're going to print a series of statements depending on at what level this person is fucking around at. For example, let's check out Marvin, who's fucking around at a level of 4. If you want to find out. All right, let's try this. As we can see, Marvin needs to fuck around a lot more integer because inputs are strings. And we're going to use our variables here. Now, who needs to fuck around? Marvin. 0, not enough, and we'll never find out. Marvin again, 6. Marvin needs to fuck around more to find out. However, Steve, who is fucking around at a much higher level of 10, is finding out by practicing a healthy amount of fucking around. Hopefully y'all learned something.